And now, Seal Tech, brought to you by Steel Rubber Products, helping restore the car of your dreams.
You know, most people realize how important weather stripping is on a car or truck. It's that little barrier that allows panels to seal against the body. It allows your windows to roll up and down and seal, and it allows your doors to seal properly. And since it's made of rubber, well, you know eventually it's going to deteriorate, and you are going to have to replace it. And since replacing weather stripping is not the topic of conversation to most car guys, a lot of people are shooting blind when they have to do it. So to help people out, we have put together a list of the 7 most common mistakes that you can make when you're dealing with weather stripping. We're going to deal with 2 of them today. The first one is removing the original weather stripping and throwing it away before you're ready to replace it. This is a problem because your original rubber makes a great reference point and pattern for laying out your new rubber and making sure you have the right replacement. Now, this is especially important if you're working on something odd like this and direct replacement rubber is not available. Your only option here is to match it up with something out of a universal catalog, and that is impossible to do without a sample. Now, the good news is you don't have to keep all of your old weather stripping because it usually comes out in pieces. All you need is a 3 or 4 inch sample of every piece on the vehicle. This way you have a perfect cross section to match up to a replacement piece. Just make sure they're well marked because this stuff does start to all look alike. Mistake number 2, not prepping the application surface properly. Now, for some reason, a lot of people think that weather strip adhesive is like silicone sealant, and it will cover a multitude of bad prep. That's not the way it works. Weather strip adhesive has one job, and that's to make a bond between the rubber and the metal surface. And any kind of goo, or grease, or dirt, or rust, or flaking metal, or any kind of nasty paint will keep that from happening. So make sure that you scrape off any old sealant or rubber and repair any rust holes. And make sure that any bare metal is painted and protected.
There we go.
Only then are you ready to install new weather stripping.